This angle is atrocious. Hey guys, it's Sadie, and today I'm going to be making a video on how to have literally the sickest year ever. Oh, I'm so sorry. The sun is just not being the best today. Today I'm going to be giving you guys why is it so bright? So today I have perfectly crafted 5 different steps that probably won't take a lot of time but can definitely impact how your year goes. So if you want 5 tips on how to literally have the best year, then just keep on watching. The first thing you need to do is review about last year, the current year that just passed, like 2018. What stuff happened in that year that was good and what was absolute trash? Look back on all of your growth, your accomplishments, and your experiences. Some specific things would be like health, creativity, and relationships. Those are like 3 things that are really important to me. And just reflect on how 2018 was for specific topics that mean something to you, and that will definitely help you to get to the second step. The second step is either change, stop, start, or continue. After you have that list of stuff that happened in 2018, you are going to want to go through the list and see what you want to change, what you want to stop, what was not healthy for you, and what wasn't just good for you in general, and some things that you maybe want to start, like completely new habits and stuff that you want to continue that you really liked happen in 2018 that you want to continue into this new year. The third step is to realize what is your ideal year. Go through every single detail. What does it feel like? What does it look like? What does it smell like? Don't think about practicalities, just think about what you want to happen in 2019. Who would it be with? What would you do? Where would you go? Oh, my laptop's about to turn off. The fourth step is to set goals. And there's a specific way you can set goals that I feel like will maximize the probability of them to happen.
So let's get to it.
The first thing is for them to be measurable and meaningful. How can you know that you accomplished something? By using like a measurement. And it doesn't have to be like numbers. It could be like how happy you feel, how healthy you feel. What point do you want to get to that you can measure? If that makes any sort of comprehensible sense. Also, when you are writing them down, use the present tense. Don't use like future tense, like I will or I want to. Use I am or I'm so happy that this is happening. Like use present tense as if all of your dreams are happening right now and you're living them right now, which is basically the whole like law of attraction. But if you feel like it's happening right now, you envision that you're in that exact situation, then the universe will manifest it and it will happen to you. The next thing is to not set a time limit. So a lot of people will actually say set a goal, set how you want to accomplish it, and then set a time limit. But for me, that is not something that works. If I envision it, if I really feel like I'm inside a situation, then the universe will take its time to make it happen. An example that my mom actually told me is before we had a cottage, we had no plans of getting a cottage, of getting a second property, of getting literally any other thing like close to the beach, or I don't know, like it was literally not in our plans at all. And somehow we ended up with the perfect cottage on the beach in an amazing resort that we love to go to. We love the environment, and it was so out of the blue. And my mom told me that she manifested that. She kept thinking about being near the beach and summer vibes and it's hot and sunny, but we have cool neighbors and we have lake access. She envisioned it in her mind and she felt exactly what she would feel like if she already had it. And then we got a cottage. The fifth thing is to obviously start doing. There is absolutely no time like the present. The thing that I would definitely suggest is daily planning, and for daily planning, I actually use this little baby right here. I use the Lavender Create Today Daily Planner. It has literally changed my life. I feel so much more productive and organized. The things that she included in it are absolutely perfect. This is everything you will need in a daily planner. So it has today I want to feel, today's focus, 3 most important tasks, to do, self-care, which is so important in my routine, and I'm grateful for, today's wins, and notes. This is the perfect thing to organize yourself and to set goals for each day, and it will make you think, what is something that you can do today that will get you closer to where you want to be? So I would definitely suggest using some type of daily planner. This one is absolutely perfect, and I really want to give her credit for making this. It is so helpful. An example for this is I had so much stuff to do over this winter break, and I'm still in winter break right now, and I had about 3 mental breakdowns. As I was having those mental breakdowns, I was thinking of oh my god, I just got water all in my bed. I was thinking of all the stuff that I had to do. I had to practice my flute. I had to do a whole unit of my online course. I had to plan stuff for my Comtech class. I had to film YouTube videos, get Instagram posts. I literally had to do everything, and I felt like I had no time to do it. What inspired me to starting to get stuff done and doing all the boring things, because like my flute, like I don't want to play flute. Like, I just don't. I thought of my goals. I physically looked at my goals and I was like, if I want to be this or do this, then I have to get the boring stuff over with. Like, I'm gonna play this flute so that I can have my own business and I can be an entrepreneur. Because like, if you get all the boring school stuff done, then you can do the stuff that will get you closer to where you want to be. This pin right here. What is it? Actually, it is a pin from 27 Club Toronto. It is an amazing brand that my friends made. I'm so proud of them for doing this. I love when people are starting to get creative at such a young age, and I really wanted to support them in this video. So I'm wearing one of their pins. I'll put a close up here. They have an Instagram, and I'm pretty sure they have a website, or they're in the midst of making a website. And it's basically a platform. If you love music, I love music, everybody pretty much loves music. And if you love music, this is basically a music lovers platform. They share music from all different times. They have these really cool pins. So if you love music, please check their Instagram out. And it's also like a cute pin. Like, I actually really like it. It's like vintage vibes. I love that. They are selling these, so you guys can get them too. So that is going to be it for my 5 steps to become a boss in 2019 video. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know down below what your goals are for 2019. I love you guys so much. Ow. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.